Hello friends, welcome to an overview of the Oregon Department of Education's Frequently Asked Questions application. The FAQ application offers support to applications found on both our internet and district websites. Let's get started by taking a look at the sections found on the FAQ webpage. The left panel is a complete listing of all the topics found on this site. You can click any combination of the topics to find out frequently asked questions that are associated to each topic. The top panel contains various controls. The Reset Page button will refresh the page, resetting it as it was when you first came in. The Keywords field allows you to type in words or phrases, and we're going to evaluate more of that a little bit later. The Search button will process your results based on whatever you've typed into the Keywords field. The Search Selected Topics Only checkbox is used to process a search that will only look at the topics that you've isolated in the Topic and Question Links section. The Topic and Question Links section displays a list of topics that you've selected. In this example, if you look at the FAQ Topics panel on the left side, you'll see that Chart of Accounts has been selected. Clicking the plus box next to the checkbox of the Chart of Accounts will expand the topic and display all of the questions that are related to that current topic. And by default, they will all be checked, meaning that they will be displayed. The Show URL button allows users to create links that will then allow them to come back and open up specific questions and answers. In this example, we've unchecked all of the questions except for one, and then click the Show URL button to get a link to that specific question. The Questions and Answers section displays the questions and answers for all of the matching questions found in the topic and question links above. Notice that in the title bar, 18 questions have been selected. When looking at a specific question and answer, you'll notice that the question is bolded, followed by the answer. The answer can include images or any details needed to describe the answer to that question. Notice at the bottom of the section, you'll see keywords. What will be displayed there are any keywords that the maker of this question and answer wanted to be able to associate to the question and answer. Now, this is valid for identifying matches. So if a keyword wasn't found in the question or the answer, but was pertinent to this frequently asked question, that keyword is put in there, and that enables you, when you're visiting, to be able to type in a keyword and still have your result show up. We thought this was valuable because you won't see a highlighted word in either the question or the answer, but it would be in the keyword. And finally, in the bottom right section of each question and answer, you'll find Appears in Topics. And after that, you're going to see each topic that matches this frequently asked question. This enables our users to be able to reuse questions and answers over and over again, but it shows you, the user, where these questions and answers are used and repeated in other topics. Now let's put this into practical use and do some searching. In this example, we enter the keywords report and card, and then we click the search button. Notice in the questions and answers, the results show you what matched. You'll see the first one matches report card together, which is like a phrase, report card, and the second one matches report, even in the middle of the word reports. In the next example, we enter a phrase, report card. Surround your words, in this case report card, in quotes, and then click the search button. You'll notice that the results now are highlighted with your phrase together, report card. You'll also notice that Appears in Topics has a match for ADM and cumulative ADM. This is just to show you that it's working, and the FAQ is appearing in more than one of your topic matches. We can further narrow our search by using different combinations in the keyword section as well. In this example, we use the phrase report card and then we add the word writing. And if you notice down below, the question and answer is going to match on areas where the phrase report card matches and writing is somewhere in the answer or the question. That concludes our overview. Thanks for watching.